To Rajasuseela Holistics. Today, this episode, I will be describing you about Igibunu symbols. Yes, Igibunu symbols are very new to hear, but it is a very powerful mystical symbols. This is a Igibunu symbol. This particular Igibunu symbol is a combination of symbols which can help you to get health, wealth, protection, happiness, for all these things. You may think, what is Igibunu? Igibunu is a combination of mystical symbols. It has the symbols from various sigils, Zibu symbols, rune symbols, bind rune symbols, and many more angelic mystic symbols, which are very rare to obtain. It is been collected over a period of times, and which really works. Such symbols are put in a single chart and made it into a Igibunu symbol. This Igibunu symbol it's not only for only for wealth or prosperity or abundance. It can be used for particular problem. For instance, if someone wants to buy a home without any loan, or someone wants to get a job which is in a particular field. So for that also Igibunu symbols exist. They have to be customized. You may think how this Igibunu works. You know symbols, major normal symbols as a question mark. As soon as you see a question mark, you know that it is doubtful. You see exclamatory mark, you know it is something exciting. Similarly, you see a skull and two bones symbol, you know some danger thing is there, you shouldn't go there. If there is a zebra lines, you know that it is a level crossing, it is reserved for such things. Similarly, a red color cross, it denotes that there is a medical facility over there. So all these symbols, as you need not write what is there. As soon as you see, your brain reads it that this is for this particular reason. Similarly, Igibunu symbols are also symbols which your subconscious mind can read that you don't know. Your subconscious mind can read over a period of time. While seeing it repeatedly, it goes into your subconscious mind and gets registered there and solves the problem from the root. It's not that you say until it is there, it works. It's not like that. Over a period of time, when it gets registered, the problem is solved. You no more need a Igibunu. So it works very effectively. Where all other remedies can't work, Igibunu works. So Igibunu is a divine gift from the angelic realm for humankind. So use it to derive the maximum out of it. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.